Here you can compare Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. Comparing Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max on SmartPrix enables you to check their respective spec scores and unique features. It would potentially help you understand how Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max stands against Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max and which one should you buy. The current lowest price found for Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is RS1 $59,900, and for Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max is RS1 $27,999. The details of both of these products were last updated on Sept 22, 2023. Specification: Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, battery 4422 mAh, Li-ion battery 4323 mAh, Li-ion battery RAM 8GB 6GB display 6.7 inches, 1290 x 2796 pixels, 120Hz, 6.7 inches, 1290 x 2796 pixels, 120Hz, OS v17, iOS v16, rear camera, 48MP f1.78, main, 12MP f2.2, ultra wide, 12MP 120mm tetraprism design f2.8 5x telephoto with autofocus, 48MP f1.78 main, 12MP f2.2 ultra wide, 12MP f1.78 telephoto with autofocus. Price RS1 $59,900, RS1 $27,999. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, RS1 $59,900, R1